How to set up voicemail on iPhone. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into the phone application. Once you're inside the phone, at the bottom right corner you can see the option where it says voicemail. Click on it. So right now you can see it says visual voicemail is currently unavailable, which means that for my device, the voicemail option is not available yet. It's because this feature is only available from iPhone 12. So if you're using iPhone 12 or beyond, then you'll be able to see the option where you can set up voicemail in the space. The next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device and then head over to General. Move into Software Updates, where in this page you have to make sure that the software is updated to the latest version, and then you may get the feature of voicemail, and then you'll be able to set it up. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.